Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. I am your English teacher. I hope you all remember me. My name is Miss Anila Raza. Okay, students, so let's just begin with our today's topic. Our today's topic is Noun 2. We are going to study the topic of Noun 2, okay? Beginning with our lesson, I hope you all remember what is noun. A noun is a naming word. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. Whose name it is? It is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, what is noun? A noun is a naming word. Okay, it names a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. Now let's just have some examples of people. Here in people we have mother, father, teacher, and friend. These all are the names of these people, right? So all the names of people, person are called noun. Moving to our next example, here we have animals. Cow, cat, dog, and elephant. These all are animals. Okay. Moving further, here we have the example of places. Okay, now school, home, park, beach, zoo. These all are the names of places, right? Every place is given a name and that name is called noun, okay? Now further we have the examples of things. Car, bag, clock, book. These all are the names of things, okay? So what is noun? A noun is a naming word. Now just look around yourself, what you can see around you. For example, around me there is a fan, a bed, a door, a cupboard, a cup, a shirt, a bag, a pillow, a box, a basket, keys. These all are the names of all these things, right? And yes, I also have my mother sitting beside me. So these all are nouns, okay? Now let's just move to our exercise. Here is the exercise. Now practice. What we have to do in this exercise? Let's have a look. Complete each sentence with the name of the place where the animal lives. The first one has been done for you. Okay, what we have to do here in this box, there are the names of places where the animals live. Okay, and every sentence, in every sentence we have the name of one animal. So what we have to do, we have to write the correct place where that animals live. Okay. Now as they have done the first one for us, an ant lives in a nest. Okay, an ant lives in a nest. So let's just cut it. Now a rabbit lives in a any guesses? Do you people know where do a rabbit lives? A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Okay, now next we have a bee. A bee lives in a dash. Where do a bee lives? Do you know? A bee lives in a hive. A bee lives in a hive. Let's just cut it. Now we have a horse. A horse lives in a dash. Where do a horse live? A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. Now, next we have a snail. A snail lives in a dash. Now where do a snail lives? Snail lives in a shell. A snail lives in a shell. Okay, now, where do a spider lives? A spider lives in a dash. A spider lives in a web. A spider lives in a web. Next we have a lion. A lion lives in a den or sty. A lion lives in a den. And the last we have a pig. A pig lives in a sty. Okay, a pig lives in a sty. I hope you all remember, you all are getting it and you will keep it in your mind, okay? Now moving to our next exercise. Here we have the exercise of make sure. Now what we have to do in this exercise, underline the odd one out. Explain your answer. The first one has been done for you. Okay, let's just see. Number one is horse, sheep, bus, and cow. Okay, in every sentence, in every number, there are written the names of four things. Okay. Now, what we have to do, the three things belong to one category and one word is odd one out. So what we have to do, we have to underline the odd one out and explain the rest of three are from which category. Okay. So they have done first one for us, like horse, sheep, bus and cow. Obviously the bus is odd one out and horse, sheep and cow are names of animals. So how they have written, they have underlined the word bus and they have written the answer like this. Bus is the odd one out. The others are all names of animals. Okay, so what we have to do? Let's just do it. Number 2. Apple, shoe, boot, trainer. Now what do you think is the odd one here? Apple is a fruit and shoe is something that we wear in our foot. Boot. Boot is again our footwear and trainer is also the name of shoes. So here the odd one is apple. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll write the answer like this. Apple is the odd one out. The others are all names of footwear. Okay, so we'll underline the apple as well because it's the odd one. Again, I'm telling you how you have to write it. Apple is the odd one out. The others are all names of footwear. Now moving to our next one. Here we have potato, bicycle, carrot and cabbage. What do you think? Which is the odd one out here? Potato, carrot and cabbage are like something that we eat. And bicycle is not something that we eat, right? So I think bicycle is the odd one out here. So we'll underline it. Let's see the answer. Bicycle is the odd one out. The others are all names of vegetables. Very good. Moving to our next one. Guitar, trumpet, piano and computer. Now guitar, trumpet, piano. These three I think belong to one category and computer is something like which is not matching to this category, right? So I think computer is the odd one out here. Let's see the answer. Yes, computer is the odd one out. The others are all names of musical instruments. Okay, the other all names of musical instruments. Moving to our next one. Okay, here we have knife, fork, plate, and spoon. Now, which is the odd one out here? Knife, fork, plate, spoon. This is really confusing for me. I think plate is the odd one out here because these three things um, are that we use while eating something. So let's just see the answer now. Plate is the odd one out. The others are all names of cutlery. Very good. Now moving to our last one, that is teacher, dentist, doctor, and rabbit. Obviously these three are humans. Teacher, dentist, and doctor. The rabbit is only animal here. So rabbit is odd one out here. Let's write the answer. Rabbit is the odd one out. The others are all names of professions. Okay. So now here we have our last exercise, that is practice your punctuation. Now let's just see what we have to do. Make up a question to go with each answer. The first one has been done for you. Okay. What we have to do, we have to make the questions of these given answers. Let's just see the first one. Question is, what does a cow eat? And the answer is, it eats grass. So we have to make the question. Now, let's just see the answer. Answer is, it is yellow. It is yellow. So what can be the question? What is yellow? No, the question will be, what color is grass? What color is grass? And the answer will be, it is yellow. So here we have done the second one. Now let's just move to our third one. Here the answer is, it is an insect. So what can be the question? What can be the question? It is an insect. So the question will be, what is it? And the answer is, it is an insect. Now let's just do question number 2. That is, check that you have remembered to put in the capital letters, full stops, and question marks. So let's just see. Okay, here we have written it in capital letter. The first letter is capital, so it's correct. And because it's a question, so we have put here a question mark. Yes, we have done it correctly. Number 2, here again, okay. Now this is an answer, so that's why we have made the first letter capital and we have put full stop here. Now in this question again, we have made the first letter capital and have put the question mark here because it was a question. And in this answer, again, we have done it correctly. In this question, again, we have made the capital letter and also had put a question mark at the end. And we have done this one as well. So we have done question number 2 as well. Now moving towards number 3, underline all the nouns in your questions and answers. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to underline the nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming word, a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, as in this question, what does a cow do? Here the noun is cow because it is the name of an animal. Now here we have, it eats grass. So grass again is a noun because it's the name of a thing. Now what color is grass? Again we'll underline the grass here because it's noun. Then it is yellow. So here we'll underline yellow because it is the name of a color. Now it is an insect. Again, insect is an animal. So we'll underline it. So we have done question number 3 as well. I hope you all have got it and you will all remember it and review it for your better understanding, and also share this information with your parents. You all will do it, promise me? Very good. Till then, take care a lot. Thank you for listening to your teacher. Have a good day.